Hello. So next topic is the semi-conservative replications of DNA. Semi means half, conserve means protect, conservative, replication means production of DNA. So semi means half, conserve means protective, replication means production of the DNA. So today's topic, the process in which DNA molecule produces, the process in which a DNA molecule produces exact copy of itself, खुद के जैसी, of itself is known as replication of DNA, is known as replication of DNA. तो याद रहेगा आपको, इसको कहते हैं the exact copy of the DNA is produces. Exact copy of the DNA is called as the replication. So replication in eukaryotics, or take place in nucleus, तो याद रहेगा यूकैरियोटिक के जो डीएनए रेप्लिकेशंस होता है वो कहां पर होता है, न्यूक्लियस के इनसाइड में होता है. ठीक है, मेन चीज क्या होती है कि पूरी तरह से सेल को कंट्रोल अगर यदि कोई करता है तो कौन करता है, डीएनए करता है. तो याद रहेगा डीएनए कंट्रोल द सेल एक्टिविटी. So found that how to conserve, how to produce the DNA itself, okay, and how to conserve the 50% material, so that the process, that the mechanism called as the replication. So another topic is mechanism of DNA replication. So mechanism of DNA replication. So that is the parts. So firstly, activation of nucleotide. Activation of nucleotide. याद है आपको nucleotide. So nucleotide is made up of 3 molecules. One is the sugar, phosphate and nitrogen bases. So activation of nucleotides. Okay, so each strand of the DNA present the nucleotide. So that's why all the 4 types of the DNA nucleotide are found in the nucleoplasm in the form of the monophosphate. चारों टाइप के जो थे डीएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड आर फाउंड इन द न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. याद रखना 4 टाइप्स ऑफ द डीएनए न्यूक्लियोटाइड, 4 टाइप्स में लिख के दे देता हूं. 4 टाइप्स ऑफ nucleotide, 4 types of nucleotide are found in the nucleoplasm, in the form of their monophosphate, in which form they are formation in the monophosphate. phosphate. So they are activated into triphosphate like activated. Okay, this is the activated like DATP activated, DGTP, DTTP, and the last one DCTP. Adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. So they have the activated into triphosphate. Okay, this is the activated with the triphosphate. इस तरह से. Okay, clear. So another, it occurs in the presence of the enzyme that is called as the phosphorylase, and the process is called as the activation of nucleotide. So activation of nucleotide or use the enzyme activated of nucleotide, activation of nucleotide in the presence of enzyme, this enzyme called as the phosphorylase. Which enzyme are activated? Phosphorylase. तो याद रखना कौन सा एंजाइम है जो एक्टिवेटेड करता है न्यूक्लियोटाइड को? Phosphorylase enzymes are activated the nucleotide. Like that, for example, like that they are activated. Okay, so they have the parts with, so DAMP monophosphate, adenine monophosphate, they are combined with the ATP adenosine triphosphate. So activated DATP plus they have removing of the adenine monophosphate. So this is the part of the activation. So activation of the nucleotide use the enzyme phosphorylase. So the next they have another parts. Then unwinding of DNA strand. Another part is the unwinding of the DNA strand. So the unwinding of the DNA strand is unwinding of DNA strand. So next part is unwinding of DNA strand. Unwinding of the DNA strand. So the unwinding of the DNA strand are after the activity of the endonuclease enzyme, the strand of DNA are free from each other but not separated. Like that. So this is this part. Okay. But these parts, O part, that is called as the replication force. Replication force. It is the, I am saying O. This is another 3 dash and opposite, that is the 5 dash end. After that, the DNA replications. Before unwinding of the DNA, initiation point is formation. Which? Initiation point, that is the replication pore. So DNA replication begin at certain specific site situated on the molecules. So such site are called as replication start, that point called as the replication 4, and such site are called as the origin point or initiation point. In eukaryotic, there are several origin points on the DNA. So DNA replication molecule is split by the activity of enzyme at the origin by the formation of an incision that is called as the nick. This incision part called as the nick part, and that's why it initiated breaking of the hydrogen bond. This is the breaking of the hydrogen bond between the two strands, and that's why formation of that leg of the 4. So breaking of hydrogen bond. So breaking of hydrogen bond. So after the hydrogen bond breaks, so formation of this replication 4, and after the breaking of this point or initiation of the points, so unwinding of the DNA strand. So after the activity of endonuclease enzyme, okay, so endonuclease enzyme have capacity, endonuclease enzyme have capacity, they have separate to each other. DNA are separate. No, not separate. They are the free from each other. Free. They are the free from each other, but not separated. The separation of the strand is done by DNA unwinding protein. So that is called as the helicase enzyme. And this is the free strand are unwinding use the enzyme called as the helicase enzyme. So helicase enzyme are used for unwinding of the DNA strand. ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ये एंजाइम क्या करता है, ये जो अलग अलग हुए जो है ये जो स्टैंड है ये फिर से जुड़ने नहीं चाहिए, वाइंडिंग करना नहीं चाहिए. इसके लिए कौन सा एंजाइम मदद करता है, हेलिकेज एंजाइम इस्तेमाल हो जाता है. ओके, दिस हेलिकेज एंजाइम इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द रेप प्रोटीन भी कहा जाता है. सो हेलिकेज एंजाइम इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द रेप प्रोटीन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, तो याद रहेगा. सो फाइनली नाउ द डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल अपीयर्स अ इन्वर्टेड वाई शेप. कैसा दिखाई देता है, दे आर लुकिंग लाइक द इन्वर्टेड वाई शेप. सो दे आर द शेप of the replication fork, or they have the replication is a Y shaped. कैसा दिखाई देता है, they have the looking of the Y shaped structure, and that's why so called as the replication fork. So called as replication fork. The separated strand are prevented from coiling, unwinding with the helicase DNA unwinding proteins, that is called as the helicase enzymes. Okay, and so another part is the separated strand are prevented. These separated strand are prevented from the coiling by the SSBP. Okay, this they have the prevent coiling with the use of protein called as the SSBP. तो याद रहेगा आपको, what is the meaning of SSBP? So SSBP are single strand DNA binding protein. Single strand DNA binding protein. तो याद रहेगा single strand DNA binding protein. So or it is also a helix डिस्टेबिलाइजिंग प्रोटीन भी इसको कहते हैं, तो ठीक है. सो प्रिवेंट द कॉइलिंग, यूज द एंजाइम SSBP. ठीक है. सो अनवाइंडिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द हेलिकेज एंजाइम. एंड इन एंडोन्यूक्लियेजेस दे हैव द फ्री स्ट्रैंड फ्रॉम ईच अदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंडोन्यूक्लियेजेस. सो द नेक्स्ट इज द synthesis of new strand. So next is the synthesis of new strand. So how synthesis of the new strand? Therefore now each separated strand act as the template, that is the mold for the synthesis of complementary of the new strand, and it takes place with the help of the small RNA molecules called as the RNA primers. So synthesis of the RNA primer is controlled by the enzyme RNA primase. So once again formation of the new part is arises, that is so DNA synthesis of the new strand. Now they have the separated strand. This is the separated strand act as a template. This act as a template. So this is the one template. This is another template. So separated strand are act as a template for the synthesis of the complementary new strand. Synthesis of the complementary new strand, and it takes place with the help of the small RNA molecules. With the help of this is the complementary strand, new complementary strand, and this complementary strand takes place with the help of the small RNA molecules. This is the small, I repeat the word, the small RNA molecules are used to synthesis of the complementary new strand. Okay, so these molecule are called as the RNA primers. This is called as the RNA primers. So this is called as the RNA primer. This part is called as the RNA primer. Okay, this is also another, they have parts. So this is called as the RNA primers. So this one is called as RNA primers. So this RNA primer have formation the new complementary strand. So this RNA primer is controlled by the enzyme. Which enzyme are controlled? This controlled by, okay, controlled by enzyme. That enzyme called as RNA primase. So this enzyme called as the RNA primase. तो याद रहेगा आपको क्या कहते हैं उसको, RNA primase. बट उसके बाद it get attached at the 3' end. It get attached at, this is the 3' end, this is the 5' end. After opposite, this one is the 5' end. Okay, this is also opposite to the 3' end. This one is the 5' end. Again they have the 3' end, and after that, so formation of, they have the RNA primase get attached at the 3' end of the template strand. That is called as the template strand. 1. The RNA primer attracted a complementary nucleotide from the surrounding nucleoplasm. So RNA primers have capacity to attract the न्यूक्लियोटाइड फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. तो ये जो आरएनए प्राइमर है ये अपने आजू बाजू का जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड है उसको अपने तरफ क्या करता है, आकर्षित करता है. ओके, इट ऑकर्स अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द एंजाइम डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. ये क्यों अपने तरफ खींचता है, क्योंकि इसके पास क्या प्रेजेंट है. सो आरएनए प्राइमर्स इन्फ्लुएंस द न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऑफ द अदर स्ट्रैंड, नियर बाय स्ट्रैंड, with the use of the influencer called as the influencer called as DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase. This enzyme attract nucleotide to the surrounding strand, to the surrounding strand. ये अपने आजू बाजू के मॉलिक्यूल्स न्यूक्लियोटाइड को क्या करता है, अपने तरफ खींचता है. एक्चुअली ये इन्फ्लुएंसर किसके पास प्रेजेंट होता है, डीएनए पॉलीमरेज आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द आरएनए प्राइमरेज. ओके, प्राइमर्स. सो अनदर द न्यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री न्यूक्लियोटाइड आर अरेंज्ड ऑन द स्ट्रैंड to build a strand 5-n to the 3-n direction. So this is the build 5- to the 3-n direction. ओके, मैंने यहाँ ये लिखा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं, लेकिन मैंने RNA प्राइमर के अंदर का ही आपको बता दिया, तो याद रहेगा. तो पहला स्टैंड यहाँ पर जो फॉर्मेशन हो गया 5- into the 3-n डायरेक्शन के तरफ से चला गया. अब बात आती है नेक्स्ट पार्ट, यहाँ पर क्या है. सो लीडिंग एंड लैगिंग स्टैंड इज ऑल्सो फॉर्मेशन. हाउ टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द लीडिंग एंड ऑल्सो द लैगिंग स्टैंड. अब लीडिंग स्टैंड और लैगिंग, ये क्या है, लैगिंग स्टैंड किस तरह से फॉर्मेशन होता है वो देखेंगे. डीएनए पॉलीमरेज, दिस इज द डीएनए पॉलीमरेज catalyzes the polymerization only in a one direction, that is called as the 5-n direction to the 3-n direction. Consequently, so on one strand is the replication is continue. So एक स्टैंड के तरफ क्या होगा, यहाँ पर पूरी तरह से ये जो होगा पूरी तरह से क्या करेगा, वो मूव करेगा. अब ये किस तरह से कंटिन्यू जाएगा, 5- to the 3-n डायरेक्शन का मैंने बता दिया. अब 5- to the 3-n डायरेक्शन इस तरह से वो मूवमेंट करेगा. अब वो जो उसका मूवमेंट का जो पार्ट है वो इस तरह से जाएगा, जस्ट लाइक एज द 5- to the 3-n डायरेक्शन, दैट इज द कंटिन्यू डायरेक्शन. ओके, हाँ, this is the 5- to the 3-n direction, that is called as the continue, that is the continues. This is the continuous direction 5- to the 3-n direction. While on the other stand, that is called as the discontinue. This is called as the discontinued. Okay, this is called as the discontinued. So the strand which open from 3- to the 5- is called as the leading template. Open, this is the open called as the leading. This open from the 3-n direction to the 5- open. So open the direction from the 3- to the 5-n direction called as the template strand. So simply the continuous strand, they have the behind this part, that is called as the template strand. And after that, then leading template, that is called as the leading template, opening from the 3- to the 5-n direction. So another next strand, they have it constructed, connected continuously at a faster rate. So this is a faster rate, they have found in the faster rate. So another part is the other strand which open from 5- to the 3-n direction. Okay, direction याद रखना. This one is the 3- to the 5-n direction, and this is another. This strand open from 5- to the 3-n direction, called as a lagging strand, lagging template. This is called as the lagging template. तो याद रहेगा, this is the leading template and this is the lagging template. So lagging template is the discontinuous and they have occurs a slow rate. तो इसका रेट कैसा है, स्लो रेट है. दोनों में कंपैरेटिवली देखो. So next part is they have open and also they have the lagging strand. It constructed discontinuously slow rate. The lagging strand is constructed in the form of the short fragments of the DNA in the 5- to the 3-. This is the fragments. This is the fragment. This part is called as the fragments. These fragments are found. So these fragments on which strand they have the 5- to the 3-n direction. And these fragments is called as the Okazaki fragments. What is the name? Okazaki. These fragments are naming. They have found this part, the Okazaki scientist. These Okazaki fragments are found. So these after Okazaki fragments which are later joined by the enzyme, these Okazaki fragments after join with the use of the enzyme, need are RNA primers, that is the joined by the enzymes called as the DNA ligase. These enzymes are used to join. जैसे अपने पास वो फेविकॉल होता है लगा चिपकाने के लिए, वैसे यहाँ पर कुछ भी डीएनए से रिलेटेड अगर कुछ भी चिपकाना हो, कुछ भी ज्वाइन करना हो, तो उसके लिए इस्तेमाल हमेशा कौन सा होता है? डीएनए लाइगेज होता है. ओके, ईच ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट्स नीड वन आरएनए प्राइमर. ओके, ईच ओकाजाकी फ्रैगमेंट्स नीड्स अ वन आरएनए प्राइमर. लेटर द आरएनए प्राइमर इज रिमूव्ड by the enzyme of the RNA. So after that process, RNA primer is removed. After the process, RNA primers, this RNA primer is removed. Okay, is removed by, so removed by the RNase. These enzymes are removed the RNA primer. Each fragment need the RNA primer for the join. Okay, so these fragment are the fragments of the Okazaki was joined by the enzyme DNA ligase, and this RNA primer are removed use the enzyme RNA. Okay, so the next topic is the formation of the another part, formation of daughter DNA. So next part is formation of daughter DNA. How to formation of daughter DNA? Formation of daughter DNA किस तरह? Formation of daughter DNA. Formation of daughter DNA. So this is way for each old strand. One is the old strand, like that part. This part, this is the old strand. Old strand. This is also the old strand, and this one is called as the new strand. This is also the new strand. So same here, the 50% is conserved, 50% is conserved, and 50% formation of the new. So 50% formation of new part. So that's why simultaneously both the strand new and old undergo coiling. Both again they have again a coiling. Okay, and this is the coiling to form, means like that the old and new strand are coiling. Okay, old and new strand are coiling, and two identical daughter DNA or molecule is formed at the end of the process. So old and one is the another is the this is the new strand and this is the old strand. This one is the old strand and this is the new strand. Old and new strand are complement and coiling to form a identical DNA. So after replication, each DNA molecule has one old and other a new strand. It shows a 50% old and 50% new. So 50% materials they have conserved. क्या किया जाता है? Conserved किया जाता है. Okay, and 50% are new is arises. So that's why after replication of DNA molecule they have conserved and they have another is the new, refer to formation of the semi-conservative. So that is called as the semi-conservative process. So this semi-conservative was observed Michelson. Okay, who is observed? One is the Michelson and Stahl. Observed this process in the year 1958 with the use of the isotopes. One is the nitrogen 14 and nitrogen 15. Both isotopes are used for this experiment, and use a bacteria that is called as the Escherichia coli and E. coli. Use a bacteria for the experiment to DNA. Okay, so in the prokaryotic circular DNA is present, and there is only one origin, and the replication is called as the theta replication, and it look like the Greek letter, that is the theta. Okay, so in prokaryotic the replication fork is look like the theta, which look like they have the formation the theta in the prokaryotic. So thank you.